What's up, guys? Well, I made it to Harbor Freight, and yeah, I was gonna do a video on my way coming to Harbor Freight, but I forgot. And then now that I made it to Harbor Freight, and then I remembered, but I already went into Harbor Freight. I got the Predator engine, and yeah, I think that's the non-Hemi engine that I got. So yeah, we picked that up for $99 last day right now. So I picked that up today. We'll go home and look at it, see what it's about, and then yeah, we're gonna get this go-kart running. It ain't been running since 2000. People can't drive. I don't know what they're trying to do. I guess they're trying to reverse into this spot and almost hit this car. So I don't know what they're doing, but it's raining and people definitely can't drive here in Texas at all. But yeah, anyways, yeah, we're gonna get that and look at that. So it's been 20 years since this go-kart ran. So I got this engine for it, and I got I bought it's a fake, I can't think of the name of that carburetor. But yeah, I bought a fake one, and I got that for that with the intake. I mean, with the filter and everything. I got all that. So we're gonna put all that together, hoping this bad boy be some good and it runs like I wanted to. And yeah, we'll go from there. All right, guys, ladies, gentlemen, whatever. But this is the engine I picked up. So yeah, let's do an unboxing. I see. I don't know, not for sure, but I know they didn't have the Hemi engines here, and they only had 3 on the shelf. Yeah. So, and they had 2 different coupons. One coupon was a limit of 2, and then one of them was a limit of 1. But I think one with the Hemi was limit of 1. This one was a limit of 2. You can get 2 of these engines. So apparently, from some of the videos I was watching, this is how you can tell if it's non-Hemi, is because it's cardboard or something like that. That's what they were saying. I'm not for sure. Even though I'm going to school for this stuff, looks good. Let's take it out of the box and see. And these are here. They said if you get these, it's a Hemi. But I don't think it is. It don't look the same. Actually. So yeah, whatever that guy was talking about is totally wrong. But yeah, I mean, the gas tank, oh, I'm just taking pictures. I was trying to flip the camera around, but as you can see, so it's looks fairly clean out the box. It's looking good. But yeah, I don't know what the guy was talking about, but this is a non-Hemi. I'm thinking it's a non-Hemi. So, but I'll figure it out real soon, somehow. And yeah, I'm going to school to build small engines, which I got a Honda XR, and I'm rebuilding that right now to go on the tiller. I was gonna put it on my go-kart, but then I was like, no, I'll just rebuild that, put that on the tiller, because the tiller engine's out. Well, it's not out, it runs, but I don't know where the oil is going to. I gotta figure that one out. Well, that's why I'm just gonna take the engine out, put the Honda engine on there, because the oil just disappears. You can put oil in there and it just disappears out of. I mean, it's not on the spark plugs. It's nowhere. I don't even know where it's going. So yeah, that's a whole different story on that one. But we're gonna take the Honda engine, put it on that, and then I bought this one engine, and also I was just gonna throw this one on the go-kart. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. Keep y'all updated. Peace.